Hi! In front of me is Realme GT Neo 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab Menu. Now look for Auto Rotate shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is now enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same icon again. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and choose display and brightness. Now scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate feature to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!